everybody, Steven Zinn here for the Zinn's Mortgage Minute or the Zinn's YouTube page, whichever one you're joining us on. So guys, I am super excited to talk about cryptocurrency. My gosh, is it really out there, and everybody is talking about how to get wealthy buying nothing. It's weird. So there's a lot of volatility in this market, and it's pretty cool to have watched Bitcoin become what it's become, and then you have Dogecoin, and then you have all these other different cryptocurrencies out there. What kind of world are we going to be in when our kids grow up and it's 50 years from now? Is the old George Washington bill even going to be a thing? I mean, it's barely a thing right now. Debit cards have taken over. So wild. Anyway, so what does it mean when you're buying a home with it? Here's the long and short of it. You can't yet. There are non-traditional ways of purchasing a home using cryptocurrency, but for right now, here's the only advice you need to know. If you want to purchase a home using cryptocurrency, you have to think ahead. And if you bought some cryptocurrency for the love of butter, you already did that, because you have a lot of good money right now that is not existent. But anyway, I don't know how all that works perfectly. I don't care. All I know is that you do have assets, and we need to turn it into usable assets. So what you want to do is you need to sell some before you buy. Basically, you have to have a plan in place, and you have to sell the cryptocurrency for however much you're going to use for your down payments or your assets at least 90 days before you're going to go under contract. Why is that? Well, Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, they do not believe that cryptocurrency is a safe or reliable asset right now, so we don't want to see that the funds came from that. And we have to verify where all funds come from during a mortgage transaction. So if you borrow money from a friend, if you borrow $5,000 from a friend for your down payment, we have to show that you borrowed that money and what kind of debt it resulted from that loan. If you get a gift from family, we need to show it. So anyway, Fannie Mae is going to want to take a magnifying glass and a pair of tweezers and just investigate as deeply as they can on where the money came from. But if your bank statement is 60 days and the deposit happened prior to that 60 days, you don't have to show anything. So that's my advice right now with cryptocurrency. It's the best thing to do. There are non-traditional types of lending that will allow you to use cryptocurrency and the other special products. The rates are not as aggressive though. So we want to make sure that you're going to qualify for the best program, which is going to be Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, FHA, or VA. And the best way to do this is to make sure that those types of funds, any assets that you need to sell on the Bitcoin market or whatnot, are deposited 90 days prior to you going under contract. That way you'll have a nice, clean 60-day transaction history without showing that deposit. Guys, I hope this really helped you out. I hope that it provides some good information. I will see you guys on the next one. Take it easy.